Mr. Ma Ying-jeou will become president of Taiwan today. Can you describe what policy Mr. Ma is likely to introduce?
Yes, I think he's going to speak more friendly to China in terms of the cross-strait relationship policy. Like he's going to open tourists to come to to Taiwan, and also he's going to open the charter flight from Taiwan to China directly. And also he will announce a couple infrastructure projects to help domestic market as well.
How will this economic policy affect the stock market?
I think it's going to affect the market positively, and we see a lot of people buying JF Taiwan Fund because of that. And we have about 300 million inflow so far year to date into our fund.
But will people be too optimistic about Mr. Ma's policy because he has not yet become president and not yet delivered what he has promised?
Yeah, that's a good question. I think the expectation is very, very high. But if we look at the team of Ma Ying-jeou member, actually they are men or women of action. I think they can deliver what they promise.
If investor can only have a certain sum of money and he or she can only invest in one market, what market will you suggest? China, Hong Kong, or Taiwan?
Good question. I basically would suggest to buy Greater China Fund because that covers Hong Kong, China, and Taiwan, and easier for investor to invest.
As a fund manager, do you have a wish list for Mr. Ma?
Yes, I expect Ma to deliver what he promised, and also investor can enjoy the good fruit from China and Taiwan in the future.
Thank you for joining our program today.
My pleasure.